Hey everyone, and welcome to the Future Flip Finance. Today we're diving into a topic that excites everyone, becoming a millionaire. Now, let's be honest, it won't be easy, but with the right strategy, it is achievable. So grab your notebooks, because we're breaking down a step-by-step guide to reaching that seven-figure mark. Step 1. Develop the millionaire mindset. First things first, becoming a millionaire is about more than just making money. It's about mindset. You need to believe in yourself and develop habits that will propel you forward. This means embracing hard work, discipline, and a willingness to learn. Think of it like training for a marathon. It requires dedication and a long-term vision. Step 2. Tame the debt monster. Debt can be a huge roadblock to wealth creation. High interest rates eat away at your savings, so prioritize paying off existing debts. Create a plan, whether it's the avalanche method focusing on high-interest debts first, or the snowball method tackling smaller debts for a quick win. Step 3. Become a saving machine. Here's the not-so-secret secret. Millionaires save. Aim to save at least 15% of your income, but if possible, shoot for more. Automate your savings so you pay yourself first before you even see the money. Consider high-yield savings accounts to maximize your return. Step 4. Invest for growth. Saving is crucial, but investing is how your money truly grows. Explore options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. As you learn more, consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized investment strategies. Step 5. Increase your income earning potential. Let's face it, the more you earn, the faster you can save and invest. Here are some ways to boost your income. Negotiate your salary. Do your research, know your worth, and confidently ask for a raise. Develop high-income skills. Invest in courses or certifications that can make you more valuable in your field. Explore side hustles. Freelance work, online businesses, or renting out a spare room can bring in extra cash. Step 6. Live below your means. Don't fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where you spend more as you earn more. Resist the urge to keep up with the Joneses. Focus on needs, not wants. Remember, financial freedom is more fulfilling than the latest gadget. Step 7. Patience and consistency are key. Becoming a millionaire is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, but stay focused on your long-term goals. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Stay disciplined with your saving and investing habits, and let time and compound interest work their magic. Remember, there's no guaranteed one-size-fits-all path to becoming a millionaire. However, by following these steps, developing the right mindset, and taking consistent action, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Let me know in the comments what other wealth-building topics you'd like to see covered. Until next time, take charge of your finances and reach for your millionaire dreams.